So, ito. So, ito yung ano natin, video natin. Ito. So, ito na yung nirecord ko. Meron akong nirecord pero wala siyang voice. Kaya ititigil-tigil ko siya pag ituturo ko kasi masyadong mabilis pag ako nag-record eh. Kaya, so una, di ba naka-download na tayo ng Canva natin? So, ang gagawin natin is, puntahan lang natin yung Canva natin. Yan. Kiklik mo lang siya. Ayun. Tapos, pag na-click mo na siya, may magpapakita na ganyan ang screen niya. So, pag gumawa tayo ng post, syempre, magpo-post tayo sa Facebook. Meron yung ibang, meron Canva, nakalink ang kanilang mga accounts sa kanilang iba't ibang platform. Meron sa Instagram, meron sa TikTok, meron sa Facebook, meron sa LinkedIn. Pero ako sa Facebook lang siya. Kaya, ito yung ano ko, pero hindi ko siya nilink, kaya automatic inaano ko siya, dina-download ko siya kapag gusto kong mag-upload ng aking content dito sa Canva. So, ang pili natin is yung Facebook post ang gagamitin natin. So, i-click natin yung Facebook post para makagawa tayo ng isang content. Yan.
Sis, bakit ako wala akong Facebook post?
Walang nakalagay dun sa yung sa taas po.
Yes. I-try mong i-search sis, baka lalabas.
Oo, meron mga iba't ibang,
Yeah.
meron social media, dun sa social media, ano sis, platform, sabi niya, social media platform, i-click mo doon, baka
Mm-mm.
nandun siya banda.
Nasa tuktok yan.
Oo. Tapos kung anong design ang gusto natin, click lang natin yung design dito sa may baba. Ito, design. Nakikita niyo yung design. So yun, i-click lang natin yun. Tapos, mamimili tayo kung anong design ang gusto natin. So, like for example, gusto nating mag-post o gumawa ng content like motivational content, di ba? So, isa yon sa mga gustong-gusto nating gawin yung mga motivational content. So, dito sa Canva, marami. Iba't ibang klase. Kung ano yung gusto ninyo. Meron motivational, meron yung happy, meron yung ano pa, emotional. Ang emotional. So, yan, yung mga ganyan. Inspirational, mga ganon. So, yan, pag ibigay nyo lang yung keyword na gusto ninyo, lalabas at lalabas anong content ang gusto nyong i-post dito. So, i-edit na lang natin siya kung ano yung gusto natin na i-post. So, since meron akong napili dito na isa, yung pinakauna na lang, your positive thought affects your action. So, yun ang pinili ko, like, just for the content today. So, yan. So, anong nangyari dyan? Bakit, ano? So, naging red yung ano niya, di ba kanina, black siya kanina. So, naging red siya kasi, pinalitan ko siya. So, yan. Ang ginawa ko is pumunta ako doon sa may kulay. Yan, magpapakita siya. Pwede mo siyang palakihin, pwede mo siyang igalaw-galaw, pwede mo siyang baguhin yung font style niya, pwede mo siyang baguhin yung font style, baguhin yung kanyang font size, mga ganyan. So, kung gusto mo naman na siyang bigyan ng picture o ilagay yung picture mo, so, puntahan natin lang sa baba, sa may baba, yung may design, elements, text, ganyan. So, ito lang, piliin natin yung upload. Kung wala pa kayong na-upload na mga picture, kagaya ko, may mga naka-upload na akong mga picture, kung wala pa kayong na-upload na picture dyan sa content ng inyong Canva, pindutin nyo lang itong upload para makapaglagay kayo ng picture na galing mismo sa inyong gallery sa inyong cellphone. So, yon, pindutin nyo yung upload. Tapos, yan, may nagpakita ng picture. So, yon, pindutin mo lang yung picture at magpapakita dyan. Kung hindi kayo marunong na maglagay ng picture, kagaya ng picture ko na yan na wala siyang background. Kung iPhone ang cellphone ninyo, ang gawin ninyo is hindi magawa dito sa laptop, dito lang sa cellphone siya nagagawa. Kung may picture kayo, halimbawa, may picture kayo, kung hindi kayo marunong pa, ang gagawin nyo lang, halimbawa, ang picture ko na ito, yung picture ko na yan, ikiklik mo lang siya. Long press, o, di ba parang may nakikita nyo?
Mhm.
Ayan, ililong press nyo lang siya, tapos i-click nyo yung share. Yung share, kung iPhone ang gamit ninyo, i-click nyo lang yung share, tapos save. I-save nyo lang siya, save. Save image. Tapos balikan ninyo yung ano nyo, yung gallery ninyo, nandun na yon. Nandun na yon. Ito na siya. Malabo. So yan na siya. Ay, yan. O, wala na siyang background, 'di ba? Yung picture na lang, yung mukha ko na lang nakikita. So yun, ganun maggawa ng ano, ng walang background. Kasi dito sa may Canva, may bayad yung ano, may bayad yung tatanggalin mo yung background niya. Meron part na tatanggalin niya pero may bayad yun. Depende na lang kung gusto mong mag-subscribe. Pero since meron namang paraan, bakit tayo mag-subscribe, 'di ba? So yun. So ilalagay natin yung picture natin. Yan. So pwede mo siyang palakihin, pwede mo siyang igalaw-galaw kung saan gusto mong ilagay. Ano nangyari? Tapos, maglalagay tayo ulit ng another text. Yan. Kung maglalagay kayo ng, kung gusto niyo maglagay ng mga quotes, kung gusto niyo maglagay ng pangalan ninyo, yung website ninyo, pwede dito. So, mamimili lang kayo kung anong gusto niyo. Meron yung mga glow, sparkle, yan yung mga yan. So, yung glow ang pinili ko. So, i-resign nyo lang siya, tanggalin nyo lang siya para may edit nyo. So, pwede nyo ilagay yung website ninyo. Ayan, medyo malaki siya, 'di ba? Habang nagta-type kayo, napakalaki, baka magtataka kayo hindi na kasya dun sa picture ninyo, 'di ba? So, i-edit nyo lang siya. Pwede nyong paliitin, i-drag nyo lang yung nasa corner. Ayan. I-drag nyo lang siya. Ilagay nyo lang siya dyan sa gilid na nakikita. Kung ayaw nyo naman na ganyan, pwede nyo siyang tanggalin. I-resign nyo lang yan. Pwede kayong mamili ng font style dito sa baba. Mamili kayo lang ng font style na gusto ninyo. Maraming pagpipilian dyan kung anong yung gusto ninyo. So, ayaw ko yung font style na yun, kaya tinanggal ko siya. So, mamimili ka ulit. Punta ka ng yung add text box. Yun. Click mo lang yung add text box. So, ayan, magte-text ka lang ulit ng www.sirenpili.com. Since hindi ako satisfied dun sa una, kasi masyado siyang malaki, tapos naka-bold lang siya. Naka-bold pa siya, kaya pinalitan ko siya. So, gumawa lang ako ng add text. Ayan. Pag ililipat mo, idadrag mo lang siya pababa. Yan, mamimili ka lang ng mga font style kung anong gusto nyo, marami. Basta ang piliin lang natin guys is yung walang crown. Yung walang crown is may bayad yung may crown. Kaya yung walang crown ang pipiliin natin. Since marami naman magaganda na walang crown, so gumamit muna tayo ng hindi siya crown para wala tayong bayad. So yan, pwede mo siyang i-drag kung saan gusto mo ilagay. Tapos, pag mamimili kayo ng kulay, dito lang siya. Pindutin nyo yung kulay, yung color doon o na may rainbow na A. Pindutin nyo lang yon para maiba yung kulay niya. Kung anong gusto ninyong kulay. So, kung gusto nyo ng iba't ibang kulay, mamimili ka lang. Meron yung plus dito sa gilid. Ito, nakikita ninyo. Yung plus dito sa gilid. Tapos, i-click nyo lang yan. Mamimili kayo kung anong preferred ninyong kulay. So, iba't iba. Ayan, idadrag nyo dun sa may pinaka-bright para mas matingkad yung kulay niya. Para mas kitang-kita siya. So, yan, idadrag nyo lang siya kung anong gusto ninyo. Meron yung blue hanggang sa pink, ganyan. Kung ano yung prefer ninyong kulay. Tapos, font style naman. Kung anong gusto. Ayun na yung font style kanina. Ano pa ba? Susunod. Oh, hex style. Hex style. Ayan, maglalagay naman tayo ng sticker. Since pwede tayo maglagay ng register now, punta lang tayo ng balikan natin para masundan ninyo. Pumunta siya ng elements. Elements, yung nasa baba din ng design, text, camera roll. Yun. Click nyo yung elements para lumabas yung mga sticker na gusto nating gamitin. Meron dito, isa-search nyo lang dito sa may search item. Pwede nyo ilagay dyan kung maglalagay kayo ng congratulations, kung maglalagay kayo ng register, kung maglalagay kayo ng you did great job, mga ganon. Mga sticker ba? So, dito lang nyo lang ilalagay dyan. Tapos, maglalabas lahat ng mga maraming stickers dyan. Tapos, pwede nyong gamitin. I-see all nyo lang siya kung gusto nyo makita lahat. Tapos, usually talaga ang gagamitin natin. Ulit-ulitin ko, ang gagamitin natin yung walang star. Kasi hindi nyo siya madadownload kapag meron siyang crown. Magbabayad at magbabayad kayo kung may crown. So, yun. Ulit, balikan natin ang video natin. So yun, nakuha ko na yung register now. Paliitin mo lang siya kung malaki siyang nag-appear. Yun, idadrag mo lang siya sa tabi ng iyong website. Tapos, meron naman yung style yan. Yung style naman is yung kung meron iba't ibang style ang ating font style, ayan. Meron yung shadow siya, meron yung blurry, ganyan. Meron yung neon. So, meron naman yung background. So, kung gusto mo yung website mo is meron siyang background, naka-highlight siya, pwede mong gamitin yung background. Nandito sa may siya, sa may style siya nakalagay. Yan. Sa may style, tapos meron nakalagay dito na background. Click nyo. Minsan kasi hindi siya napapansin eh. Minsan hindi siya masyadong nakikita. Kasi masyadong maliit yung kulay. Ayun, ito yung background. Ito, background, sabi niya dito. I-click niyo yung background na yan. Meron magpapakita ng mga kulay din kung anong gusto nating kulay. Kagaya ng font style natin kanina, color ng ating words, ganyan, ganyan. So, you can change that too. So, i-click nyo, just click that little circle there. You can change that color if whatever you prefer. So, hanggang sa you can find the color that you want. There. What's next? So, as you can see, the register now is on top of the color. So, what you have to do is you have to adjust what you call that, what you call that, the position of your posting. So, go to the position. Yan, go to the position. If you want to put that in front, just click in front. If you put to put it at the back, you click the back. So it will show up properly. So I think that's ready to upload. Yun. So that's ready to upload. So what you have to do now is just click the upload on top of your cell phone. Meron magkikita dyan. Doon sa taas, ito yung nasa taas, kung nakikita ninyo. As you can see, this one, it means you have to download this in your cell phone. So just click this one. No, if you are already done and happy with your post, then you can click this one. You can click this one and it will download on your phone. Just press the X on that situation so it will not double save on your phone. So as you can see, it's already there in my phone, in my gallery. So it's ready to upload. Yan. So next one, I will show you also how to make a content. If you make a banner, like a banner. So just go to your those things, that wallpapers. You can grab whatever you want. So you can search to also in this area. You can search here. If you want a yellow flowers, red flowers, or ocean, something, any background, anything under the sun, you can search in this area. So as I made for a video, I use the red background. So I use the red background usually don't use most probably don't use the with the crown para hindi tayo magbayad. So I use this one. This is a free one. So just delete whatever in the back, whatever in that post, just delete it if you don't like it, okay? Just edit it. Just disregard whatever you don't need in that post. So for me, I put a congratulation banner on that post. So let's make a congratulation banner just in case you have a business partner or we have a business partner that has action taker. So we can make a post for them, diba? So we can make a post for our incoming business partner or incoming action taker, mga ganyan. So just put a congratulation banner. I should say congratulation banner, not background. So anyway, just search something that is free in this element. So as I said earlier, go to elements so you can search the banners and the stickers. So I choose this one. This is a free one. Yan, just drag it and make it visible. Then the color is black. So for me, I'm not happy with the black. So I changed the color. So just go to the color again and change that color. So the color of this is black. There is a black here. As you can see, the color is black. Just change that. Just click that one and change it with the color that you preferred. So just grab this one and then you just drag it. So I choose green because I love green. And so next is you can put the name now or the text. You can put text. So as I said earlier, use those glow. Yeah, I choose glow. Yan, you can choose those. Pwede nyong gamitin. You can choose whatever you want in here. So like for example, I choose the name of Ketelin. Ketlin kagabi. Last night, she got action taker, right? So I choose Ketlen to make a congratulation banner for her. So yun, ida-drag mo lang siya, just drag it and make it smaller. And then choose the color that you want to. If it is, uh, you can use the color that you want. Just go to the color and choose, i-drag mo lang siya, just drag the color. Yan. You can choose the fonts, the font style. Oh, okay. What did I said over there? Okay, congratulations, Kathleen, for having an action taker. Yan. And then you can change that font style. Just choose whatever you want. There's a lot of choices that you can use. Kung gusto niyo yung mas maliwanag, mas malalaki, you can choose. There's a lot of choices there. Yan, in color, change the color to, o, diba? Tumitingkad. Yan, then maglalagay na naman tayo ng picture. Yung picture mo na isang picture mo na naman ilalagay mo. So, pupunta ka lang ulit ng upload files and then device kung gamit mo ay iPhone. Yan. Tapos mamili ka dyan kung anong picture ang gusto mo. So, yan ang pinili ko ulit. Yan. Tapos, kung gusto mo pang maglagay naman ng quote, yung mga inspirational quote natin, just put a text. O yun o, www pa lang nilagay niya. Website na pala yun. Yeah. We can put the website. Just go to add text. And then, what's next? We can put, I think it's the next one is we can put the add text again. If you want to add more text on your post, you can just press this one, add text. Yan. So, gusto kong maglagay ng quotes. So, pumunta ako sa aking notes. Meron akong mga nakasave dyan na notes. So, may mga quotes dyan na nakasave. So, pumunta ako sa aking quotes. So, i-copy paste mo lang siya. Like for this one, I choose this one. May mga quotes ako nakasave. So, yan. Kinopy-paste ko lang siya. And then, I go back again to my Canva. And then, I just copy-paste. If it is too long for you to type it, just copy-paste. Easy. Yan. Since the words, they are too far apart, di ba? Mas malalayo sila, magkakalayo sila. So, we can do an edit for that too. So, we change the color. Yeah. Change the color and then change the font style. Same lang. Just enjoy whatever you're doing in the Canva. Marami. There's a lot of choices that you can choose. Pwede dyan, mga headings, paragraphs. Yan, there's a lot of choices. Bold, I choose bold because it can be seen easily. So I choose, what did I choose that one? I think Calistoga. Yeah, Calistoga. I use Calistoga. Yeah, but it changed when as soon as I changed it, it changed. You can change it as so we can change the spaces. Yan. Masyadong malalayo. They are far apart. So we can adjust it. Just go to spaces. Just go to spacing or spaces so you can adjust them. Here. Here is the spacing. Second. Here is the spacing here. Yeah. So, I think that's the final post that I made. So if you are happy already with your post, if you are satisfied, so just ano pa ba? Oh, register. Okay, we can put the register again. Yan, I choose this one too. I really, if sometimes if I use the one with the crown sa cellphone ko, I use with the crown. What I did is I screenshot the one that I made. Kahit pa, syempre we can saglit lang at i-post ko. Sometimes we want to use the best post, 'di ba? We can use the best post. Ang gagamitin ko, ang ginagawa ko is I use with the crown, but I use my phone. Since I use my phone, I screenshot after I did everything. I screenshot it. Kaya kahit na hindi ako nagbabayad, I still have the post with the crown. Pero minsan meron kang nakikita na Canva sa may mismong ano niya, meron siyang watermark. If you notice it. So, yun, nagagawa na tayo. It's already done. I think it's already done for upload. So, just press the upload arrow. Sometimes, if there's no upload arrow, just go to upload. There is upload area. There is a button for upload. Yun. So, it's already here. So, it's ready for download or uploading in your Facebook. So, that's it. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. I hope I give you some ideas to make some posts.
Thank you,
All
Sis
right.
Laila.
Thank you, thank you.
Good job.
Stop sharing na ako, sis.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, ako naman.
Nakikita ninyo?
Yes. Yep.
Yeah. Ayan, palakasan natin. Ayan. So, i-play natin. Hello, welcome to CapCut Tutorials. First, go to CapCut Apps and then click the new project on the top to add pictures. And here's the video. If you want video, you can press that. And there's photo here. You can click the photo. For me, I'm gonna click the photo as my background. Click the picture and then make sure it's highlight. And then you can press the add below. Wait until 100% and it shows like this. Then you can adjust the size of the picture. You can make it short or long. You can start from the bottom. There, you can resize your work. Now we can go to aspect ratio below there. And then if you like your YouTube, if you want a YouTube size, you can press this. You can resize like this. And then if you want a Facebook size, you can press the 3.4. See, you can resize the picture that you want. It's totally up to you guys. This is an example only. On the bottom, you can click the check. And now you're gonna add some overlay or video. First, click the overlay. Add overlay on the bottom. Then you can directly go to your photos or gallery. If you add video, you click the video. But for me, I'm gonna find some video that I want to add in my pictures. So I'm gonna choose this one. And it's gonna be like this after you pick that. Now we are going to remove the background. So on the bottom, you're gonna press the add overlay and then find the remove BG. It says remove the background. Dito lang sa baba, ayan. I-click mo lang yan. Just click that. And then below, you can see the auto removal. Click that one too. And then restore. And then you can see the result. The background is removed. So it's gonna be like this now. And now you can resize the picture. You can put anywhere you want. You can resize small or big. So it's totally up to you guys. Now let's try to play so you can see the sample. Gusto mo din bang magkaroon ng extra income? Let's wait. Kahit ikaw ay nasa bahay? Now we're going to adjust the picture. Make sure it's gonna be until the end of your video so they are matched. After that, we're gonna add some caption in the bottom. You see the caption, click that one. And then when you see the Filipino, click that. You can select Filipino or English. For me, I'm gonna choose Filipino because my language is Filipino. And then from the templates, there's a lot of choices here. So just pick which one you like. And I pick this. After that, generate. And then wait until 100%. Just keep waiting. And then here you go. You can see the sample, the caption. And also you can resize the words. You can put side on the top, on the bottom. You can make it bigger or small. So it's totally up to you guys. As you guys can see the sample, keep trying which one is the best. Something like this. This is only a sample, so it's totally up to you guys on how you make your video. Now we're adding some audio. We're gonna click the audio below. After audio, we're gonna click the sounds on the bottom. And then here's the sample. You can pick which music you like. And then you can keep testing.
Okay, let's
which
go.
one is good. Okay, I choose let go. Just click the plus. And here you are. Make sure it's aligned from the front, from the beginning. Now we're gonna click the volume and resize. Make sure that it's lower than your voice so people can hear what you're talking. Then click the check.
Okay, let's go.
Gusto mo din bang magkaroon ng extra income? That's it for me. Enjoy editing the CapCut. Thank you.
That's it. Masyadong mabilis.
Hello, welcome.
Masyadong mabilis ano?
Medyo. Tsaka
Yes.
blurry siya, sis.
Pag-expert na yun.
Nag-expert.
Pero hindi namang mas maano, kaka-ano ko lang kasi kaka-edit ko lang yun. Request ni coach na yung ganun daw. So yun. Yun lang. Pag may mga tanong lang kayo, magtanong lang.
Panoorin na lang yung
It's okay, Sis
replay.
Vicky.
Replay,
We have a
yeah.
replay.
You can watch the replay again and again
Yeah.
and again so
Thank
they
you.
can follow it.
Play and pause, yeah.
Mhm.
Yes, sis. Thank you.
Ganun din ginagawa ko kaya natuto din sa CapCut. Yeah. Pag may nakikita ako sa sa TikTok, pinapanood ko, play and stop hanggang sa matutunan mo. Ganyan lang naman. And next is Sis Jackie.
Okay. Mag-share muna ako, guys. Ayan, last na topic na natin to. So,
StreamYard.
StreamYard naman.
Hmm.
So, wait lang. Okay. Yan, para sana everyone is aware ng StreamYard kasi maganda talaga siyang gamitin. Lalo na kung meron tayong go live or kahit personal lang. Okay, so StreamYard, live streaming. Ayan.
How long was the lesson, bro?
What is StreamYard? So StreamYard is a browser-based live streaming studio that simplifies video production and broadcasting, allowing users to stream to multiple platforms simultaneously and host guests easily without requiring downloads or complex setup. So browser lang siya, magla-login ka lang doon sa web browser. Unlike ibang streaming platforms, kailangan mong either mag-avail ng software or mag-download. So this is very user-friendly. So what it offers easy live streaming, multi-platform streaming, guest integration. So it's really best for kung may guests kayo, podcasts, yung mga yan. User-friendly interface, free and paid plans, we'll get into that, and recording and editing. So I myself, I only use the free because it's useful enough. We don't really, ano tawag dito? Just like Canva, you don't need to pay because it's very useful as it is. So there are 3 plans, the free, the core, and advanced. You get billed either monthly or yearly. So if you can see here, if you choose to be billed yearly, you get 22% off of the price of the core and advanced monthly. Okay, so for core, if you want to avail this for the year, you want to pay it yearly, then it's $35.99 per month. Advanced is
this has every function, though it's $68.99 a month times 12. Free, however, it has everything that we need as starters, as entry levels. So yes, we do interviews and everything, things like that, but really these two plans that you have to pay for, I think we don't need it. It just really depends on what you do. So if it's just go live, you're good with just the free. And I'll show you guys. We'll do a live one. So anyway, what free can give you? All essential studio features. So interviewing guests, comments, screen sharing, video sharing, slide sharing, virtual backgrounds, scrolling tickers, banners, name tags, multiple layout options, brand colors, themes, background music, HD, audio, hotkeys, camera shapes. So that's all we need for our regular go live or personal live or interview with somebody. It will have this StreamYard logo in your streams. It will look like this, and it will be in the right top corner. Because, of course, since it's free, then they want you to advertise their company, their services. Streaming limits. Stream or record up to 20 hours per month on the free plan. So this 20 hours a month, it's still okay. Like our go live right now, our 30 days, it only requires us to 15 to 20 minutes, right? So that's 20 hours per month. So do the math, 15, 20 minutes times 28, 20, 30. So it's still doable. Yes, stream and record. That's for both combined. And then limited storage. So stream recordings will be stored for a period of 12 months from the recording date of each stream, after which we may delete them. Now, this one, which I'll show you guys later too, it is the video itself will not be stored in your StreamYard account. It will only have the details of your date of your live, where you aired it, say Facebook, what platform you aired it, but that's about it, not the video itself. Unless you pay, so you go for core or the advanced, then it will be in your StreamYard, saved in your StreamYard account. Dark mode. Dark mode is just if you want to save battery and you don't want your screen too bright. Yeah, they have that option. Local recordings up to 2 hours a month. Let's say you have your own video and you wanted to edit that in StreamYard, you can. So you only have 2 hours though for the whole month. So there are editing options that StreamYard offers. So you can do that here, but there's other editing, CapCut, Canva. So you can, so this is very limited. So I don't think we need that really. 6 on-screen participants. You can have 6 people in the stream. If you've seen the Power of 4 interview with Sis Chantel, with Diane, and then the 4 of us. So we maxed it out, 6 of us in the screen. If you want more, of course, you go for core or the advanced. 2 seats, invite a team member to your account as an admin or a co-host. This is very beneficial if, let's say, there are multiple interviewees or multiple guests rather. And so one can be, let's say JD will be my co-host, and then it's either she does the interview while I do the rest of here, putting comments on the screen or anything else that we need, you know? So yeah, so simultaneously you guys can be in one StreamYard account because there are 2 admins. Now, bilis pala. Sorry. Now let's try it live. So by creating an account, it's either you use your Google or just use your email address. So it will take you the same, just email. But if you already have an account, and then the way I set it up is I have to wait for a code, which should be here shortly. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, by the way, hang on. Destination. I'm gonna show because I want to show you guys this from scratch. Anyway, I'll leave that there. Okay, so now I'm logged in, and as you can see, where do I only have, I don't have an admin, I don't have a co-host. So I'm only on the free plan if I want to upgrade, of course, but I don't need to upgrade at this point. So first thing you want to do is choose or set your destination. So destination is where, remember, this is just a streaming platform. So where do you want your actual video to be seen? So there are a lot of options. So there's Facebook page, which I left there, but I'll show you guys how to add my Facebook profile. You can also do linked page, YouTube, Twitter. I'm surprised that TikTok is not here, but anyway, although you can only use one unless again you upgrade. So the Facebook page there that I left, I don't really go live there. So it's only on my Facebook profile, which I want to add. So I'm going to add right now. Continue as Jackie, yes, because I know that's my account. And then this is my profile. All right, so now it's all set. So it's there. Again, I can't, if I upgrade, I can go live and stream, set both at the same time. Okay? But right now we're on free. So let's go. Oh, let me see what else I can show you guys here. Oh, so this is the dark mode. And then also, where is that? Okay, never mind. I'll show you later. Okay, so we're gonna go live stream. So I'm going to delete. Oh, by the way, this is the one I'm telling you guys. That it's not gonna be recorded. It will just be like this, just the information. And this is not, I didn't even launch this live. I was just playing with it, but it will just look like this. And then where, but I'll show you again later. All right, so let's delete this and do a fresh one. Now, this is a new function for them. This on-air webinar, I think, will be useful if we're really gonna do like learn about it, because on-air webinar is where the viewers will have to register their email first. I guess this will be, instead of just message ads, this could also be one of our what do you call that, strategies. But maybe later we'll just read, or maybe we'll learn first about it. Maybe I'll talk to Sis JD and Siren, and then we'll present it to you guys later. Recording, you can also record here, and then of course that's part of the 20 hours that was mentioned earlier, that you're allowed for the month. So let's do live stream. And this is video pre-recorded. This is page 4. So I was going to speak Tagalog. Pre-recorded is you are going to upload a pre-recorded video that you will launch as live, but this is a paid function. Okay, so we're just gonna stick with the studio, and then this is my personal profile. Now I'm going to put a title, let's say day 7 recap, because that's what the Go Live is about today. So I can also schedule this for later if I want to, or whenever. And then I can just let it or set it for a specific date and time. Okay, but we're gonna create because we want to go live right now. So we're entering the studio. This doesn't mean you're live yet. Okay, so I can put my name here, but I'll show you guys why I put that there. But for the sake of, let's just put that there. And then day 7 recap. And we're going to enter the studio. Okay. So we're still in the backstage right here. If I want to go up, I am there. I'm going to mute this para hindi mag-feedback. You guys can still hear me, right?
Yes.
Okay. So if I want to go back to the backstage, this 3 dots up here, remove from stage. This is the logo of them, so it will always stay there unless you go upgrade. Now, before you want everything set up first. If you're going to present a file, if you are going to show them a video, so you want everything ready. So I'm just going to get these ready. I'm going to put this down first though, remove from stage, and then video. Let's get a video as well. Oh, not that. Sure, let's just use this. Not yet. Okay. All right. So I want to change this yellow. So let's start here. I know, I don't want that. This one. You know what? Okay, let's go up. But I want, okay, so you can see me here. You have these choices here. If you are presenting a presentation, then you're better off with this, or this, or this. Or you just want the presentation on the screen, which is like that. But if you want my face there, so play with these ones here, with these tabs down here. If you have multiple guests, you can choose either of like with a multiple profile or shadows of humans here. So then it will adjust itself in the screen. Okay. So here, earlier, I said I was gonna leave it as the topic and but if you are going to, because there is an option here that you can actually set this as landscape so it is not too small on the phone. So we can, I'll show you that later, just a little bit, but so you guys won't get so confused. But anyway, all right, so this one, you can change that as well. These are your options right here. Okay. And then you can change the actual color of that by changing this. So just drag the cursor there, it will change it. And then fonts, Of course, you have your choices here. Also, guys, don't be scared to play around. Until you hit that go live, that's when you get nervous. So just play around. And then, so that's the function of this, the style. I'm going to mention this now. Always, especially if you have guest co-hosts, or if you have a, what do you call this? A multiple people on the stage, okay? Always check this private chat, because this is where you guys talk, like the hosts, that you do something that you don't want to, of course, say during the live. So check this, and then check the comments here. Comments will only show here. Of course, I'm watching, let's say I am watching JD's live, StreamYard live. I put a comment on Facebook. So the only way that she or my comment will show here is if her profile, Facebook profile is on public and her streaming option is public. Otherwise, it's not going to show here. So make sure you always check that. I hope I can show you how to, but anyway, it's just a matter of hitting show. Let's say this is a comment from Facebook. Just hit show, and then it will show here as a banner if you want to highlight a certain comment, which is really, really fun. So I suggest you guys do that. Let's go for banners. Banners, that is an example of banner. So I want to edit it. All right, and then I want it to just keep going at the bottom. So it's a ticker, right? And then we'll click the show. It's right. Okay. Remember, you can put anything there. I can even, I'll show you guys. Where is that? Here. This is a bigger one, so I want to, again, just the topic for the day, let's say. And then I'm going to change my name back to my name, and then at the very bottom is a digital business mentor or online business mentor. So again, there. So we've got two. It's always fun to have the ticker down here, because then the viewers is not just focused on your face. So they can hear you, they're listening to you, but it's just fun that there are other things that they can see on the screen. Okay, let's go to media. So logo again, so we can't get rid of that unless you upgrade. Now, overlay is you need a green screen. So I didn't really bother on like focusing on this one. I will not teach you guys this because it's not something that we can use and make fun things about, because this alone is already fun. And I'll show you guys how to change this yellow thing. If you have seen Kit Sia's StreamYard Go Live videos, you will know that she always have the countdown. So it's either you do the count. These are the two presets. So there's 30 seconds and then the 1 minute countdown. So she's already in the backstage, ready to for the last second there, or for the timer to run out. But she's already there. She's ready for everything. But these are those two, or the two options that you guys have, 30 and then 60. Okay, so for the sake of, sorry. So ayan yan, or 30. Okay, now, if you want to be like creative, be more creative, sorry. And you want to, you know, in whenever you watch any talk show, whatever, they always have like an intro. But StreamYard wants you to pay for intro video, intro and outro. But we can get around that. You just have to be creative. So create a video that will summarize pretty much what your live is about every time, what your live is about. So I'll give you guys an example. We use this when I think our first air of Power of 4. So just make sure, because we're doing this manual, unlike the intro and outro that we have to pay for, you have to be ready. So, but I'll show you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I can put sound, one sec. Let's say this. Okay, I can, ay, ba't nang wala? Ay, sorry. I can loop. So it will, so remember, I'm already here at the backstage, waiting for this, or just whatever I'm trying to finish before I go live. Since this is on loop, it will just keep repeating that. Okay, now, once you're ready, remember, we're doing this manually. When you're ready, hit the high, and then you do your grading right away. So that's your intro. Same thing with outro. Let's say you're saying your buys and your thank you, and you know you're ready, but you're still here. You can go down, remove, or sorry, go down, go to the backstage, and then of course you have to have your thank you video ready already. Okay. So same thing, as long as I want, if that's on loop, if that is on loop, then it will keep going. Okay. And so once that's done, I'm going to, no, don't remove yourself here because then you'll be kicked out. Remove from stage. All right, now that's it. Anyway, everything is ready, right? So this, let's change this yellow. I love yellow, but not that yellow. This one, that's better. So, let's say I want to do a presentation. All right, I want to go up the stage, of course. And this is, I'm going to turn my music off. Sorry. I'm going to just present it this way while I'm still here. Or if I want it like that. Or if I want it like that. Or if I don't want my face to be seen on the screen, just like that. Okay. So if you are going to present or to upload a video, show them a video, make sure you have them already here. So you're not going to find it in your folder in the middle of your live. What else can I show you guys here? Like I said, just play around. It's very easy for the most part. What else? So let's take this, remove this, and then I want it to be on screen. I guess that's it. So I love using the comments and bringing comments up. I find it really, really fun. So you guys can try that as well. And then it's also nice, just make your live fun by creating this yung intro and outro. And then of course you can still add clips there, but yeah. But just make sure that you only have 20 hours for the full month of a live stream. What else? Oh, by the way, for your guests, so you're gonna invite them, and they don't need to have a StreamYard account as a guest. Okay. So you just click invite, copy this, and send it to them. Okay. This option is you have to pay for it. So guests can stream to their own destinations. What we do in Power of Four, let's say it is my account, it is my Facebook profile. So they will watch. It's always best to have two gadgets. Though we promote, we always say that you only need your cell phone or your laptop. But it's always best to have two gadgets for everything that we do here in the online business. So what we do in Power of Four is that, so they will go to my profile to watch the live and see the comments because we're all in like on the stage, right? Or a stage. So they will forward that, or sorry, not forward, share that live to their Facebook feed, to their own Facebook feed. And that's how, because the option of doing, I'll show you. The option of actually, where did I see that? Oh, here, sorry. This option is you need to upgrade, unfortunately. But again, if you can see, there's a lot of workarounds. There's ways that we don't have to really pay. Okay. What else? Anyway, so yeah, so that's it. Until you hit go live, that's the only time that you have to be prepared. And also be mindful that yes, sometimes we forget that we are already on stage and we're still chatting about whatever else. So, but you know, it's just part of the fun. That's it for the StreamYard, guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Madami